Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, my name is Prima Andrivikaini. In this video, I will explain a daily physics phenomenon, which is why water boils using a simple animation. Did you know that when your mother boils water while cooking, the water will eventually boil? We see this phenomenon every day. In this video, I will explain why water boils using a simple animation.
We do it almost every day, making coffee, cooking pasta, or just prepping a hot tea. But have you ever actually looked at what happens when water boils? To our eyes, it's just bubbles and steam, but at the molecular level, it's a high-stakes war of energy. Today, we're breaking down the science of this everyday miracle. Before we reach the boil, we have to meet the water molecule. In liquid form, these molecules are social. They hold onto each other tightly through something called hydrogen bonding. When we turn on the stove, we're injecting thermal energy. This energy makes the molecules move faster. The hotter the water gets, the wilder their dance becomes. There's a phase called evaporation. This happens even before we hit the boiling point. The molecules at the very surface that have the most energy jump out into the air as vapor. That's the thing makes you see rising while the water is still relatively calm. Most of you were taught that water boils at 100 degrees Celsius, but that's only true at sea level. Why? Because of the air around us. Air actually has weight, and it presses down on the water. For water to turn into a bubble of steam, its internal pressure must pass back against the atmosphere. On a high mountain, the air is thinner and the pressure is lower. This means water can boil at just 90 degrees Celsius. Fun fact, your pasta will actually take longer to cook up there because the water is as hot. Look at these steam labs, even though they are on the same stove. The fresh water on the left is already boiling, while the salted water on the right is lagging behind. Why? Because salt acts as a molecular anchor. When salt dissolves, it breaks into particles that bind tightly to the molecules. These particles literally pin the water down, making it much harder for them to break free and turn into steam. Scientists call the boiling point evaporation. The water essentially needs a major burst of energy to overcome two salt anchors, which is why it takes longer to reach that first bubble. Now, let's look at two bubbles. Notice they start at the bottom. That's where the heat is most intense. Tiny imperfection on the pot like microscopic scarters acts as nucleation sites where gas molecules gather. Once the bubbles is large enough, its buoyancy overcomes gravity and it rises to the surface. When the surface is covered in these rapidly bursting bubbles, we call that a rolling boil. So, boiling is just water getting hot. It's a dramatic phase transition, a moment where thermal energy finally wins the fight to break molecular chains.
Simple phenomena like boiling water have interesting physical explanation. That is all I can explain. I apologize if there are any shortcomings. Thank you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.